you know, atom. Atom is having, this is nucleus. This is called nucleus, right? It is having positively charged particles. These are positively charged particles, right? These are positively charged particles. Positively charged particles. Charged particles. Proton. Oh, sorry. It's proton. Proton, right? And there are these are protons positively charged, right? So these are we can write it like this. This is P plus, right? And there are neutrons. There are neutrons. These are neutrons. Neutrons electrically neutral. Electrically neutral, right? So they are neutrons, right? So these protons and these neutrons found in nucleus. They are found in nucleus, right? They are found in nucleus. These proton and neutrons are found in nucleus. Then we have different energy shells. We have different energy shells, right? So what we call this is nucleus. This is nucleus. Inside nucleus, protons and neutrons. These are these we call energy shells. Different energy, energy shells. Energy shells. Energy shell, right? There are one is known as what we call outermost shell.
Valence shell.
Outermost shell known as
Valence.
valence shell. Valence shell, right? Or innermost shells are known as, what was written there? I forget. Innermost shell. No, there it is itself is written there. You just read in the first para, there is written. Come up. No, on that side.
Okay.
This side. Huh. There was written, na? Outer.
Stationary orbit.
Stationary shell. And inner shells inner shells known as
Station.
stationary shells. Stationary shell. So this is what? This is stationary shell. This is valence shell, right? This is, this shell is valence shell. This is outermost shell. This is inner shell. It is called stationary shell, right? And there are electrons. Electrons revolving. In first cell there is 2 electrons. In second cell, how many we have? 8. We have 8. 1. I write 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 electrons in different energy shells. These are known as negatively charged particles, known as these electrons negatively charged move in different energy shells. Right? These are negatively charged particles. These are known as electrons. Yeah, electron is having 1 unit negative charge. Right? And maximum number of electrons in a shell, maximum number of electrons in a shell is equal to 2n square, where n is number of shell. You get that? Where n is 2n square, where n is equal to number of shells. So this is, we have a structure of an atom. Finally, it is proposed by Rutherford and initially, but after that Niels Bohr also gave us an idea that electrons are evolving because this Rutherford was not able to explain. Rutherford told that electrons are revolving around the nucleus. When anything is moving, there is a loss of energy, kinetic energy. So point will come when electron loses kinetic energy and it must fuse with the nucleus. Right? It must fall in the nucleus, but it is not happening. Why it is not happening? This Rutherford was not able to tell us. So for that, this Niels Bohr came in the picture, and he told us electrons, when any object moves in a definite energy when any object moves in a fixed energy shell, then there is no loss of energy. When any object moving in a fixed energy shell, there is no loss of energy. And he gave example of our solar system. He compared with the solar system. In our solar system, there is a sun in the center, and around the sun there is Mercury. Mercury around there is Venus. Venus after there is Earth, and then we have what? Mars? No. Is it like that? First Mercury, then Mercury, then Venus,
Earth.
then Earth, then Mars, then outer planets. So they all are moving in a fixed energy shell, and they never fall in the in the sun. Similarly, here is about electrons. So this concept was given by Niels Bohr, right? So this final structure of an atom comes with the help of J.J. Thomson. Initial thought was given by Dalton, but further development keep on going. Then J.J. Thomson, Goldstein, Chadwick, Rutherford, and finally Niels Bohr, and we come to this structure. Right? This is about an structure of an atom. Right?